In this guide, you'll learn how to log into Claude with Apple ID. Let's get started. First, launch your Claude app. Now here you're going to find this option, continue with Google or continue with Apple. As you want to use your Apple ID, click on the option continue with Apple. Now you're going to get this kind of pop-up sign in with Apple. Click on continue. Your Face ID will be enabled. And just for that, you will be directed to this page. Let's create your account. Check in for the option agree to terms and conditions, then type in your name. Click continue. You can skip this. Click continue again. If you want any subscription plan from here, you can upgrade to it, or also you can stay on the free plan. Once you complete these steps, you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Claude account using Apple ID. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.